Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to contact seller on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device, and what you want to do is find the product that you're interested in. For example, let it be this one, and at the bottom you should see this message icon that looks like this, and this will redirect you to private messages with this seller. So here type your message, send it, and wait for response. But for example, if you have that situation when you already placed an order and you want to contact your seller, go to the account tab at the bottom, tap my orders right here, and find the order that you want to talk about. Tap on it to open the details of that product, of the delivery of that product, and you will see the option to message the seller directly. Simply type your question, send, and wait for their reply. So that's how you can contact seller on AliExpress. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.